Hey guys, so it's Firebot here. Today, I will be doing a tier list video in Tierland. Okay? Today, I will be... Yeah, you guys already saw me host a whole Helluva boss tier list. But I thought I might as well do one right now. So, you know. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see what we start with. Loop-de-goop-de. Don't ask me what character I am. Now, I'll be honest though. He's not the worst character. Trust me, we'll get there. Trust me, we will get. Trust me, we will get there. Trust me. I don't like it. Oh, Razaka. Now this won't be exactly the same as my tier list I put. I mean, I'll be honest. Not gonna lie. She's at least B tier, mostly because of the whole apology tour. But trust me, there's a character I'll get to who. Oh, I don't know which character I'll get to. Okay, let's see. Oh, Stella. Oh man, I am laggy. Just gonna. Oh my gosh, I don't know why. I don't like that noise there. Oh, Sally Mae. Now the reason it's short, I think, yeah, she's not 18 material, but hey. But hey, I'll put her like a B tier. I mean, because like the Helluva short actually get her character development. So, oh, Luna. Okay, so she's definitely got a lot of character development. There we go. That's better. Okay. Oh. Well, that's awkward. I may or may not be. Never mind. Let's be. Yeah, I was like. Let's be. She's doing an S tier. Like, she's just like a great character. Not gonna lie. Okay, she's like. You know, we only see her one. Who's next? Oh, Octavia. Now that she's in the same sort of boat as Luna, she's also got some character development. I'll put her above. Yeah, but I'll put her above Sally Mae. Oh, Joe. Oh, Lily's father. Unfortunately, don't really know much about him, so. Just see, here he goes. Oh, dearie. Man, that's a toughie. Cause I don't know. My gosh. Alright, and since I like them, so I'll put Deary and D tier. Makes sense, cause yeah. Okay, who's next? Oh, Fitzaroli. This is a character I want to get to. Yeah. I mean, he's not S tier material, but he definitely deserves going A tier. Oh, okay, we have all the tiers. Well, we have at least one character in each tier. Now, Millie. Yeah, Millie's done the same thing. Like, she's got so much character development, and also yeah. Oh, Barbie Wire. Eesh, don't really know much about her. But she lets you go see tier. Oh my gosh, I'm laggy. Oh, Chaz. Yeah, there's a also. Honestly, I prefer Stella over this guy, so... If this place has a tier below... If there's like a tier below a tier in this place, I would put him there. But if there's the lowest guy I could go here, apparently. Striker! Now then, I do actually like Striker, but unfortunately, he only think he has to go in A tier only because his voice actor keeps changing every time he appears. Like in his 3 appearances, he has like 3 different voice actors. It's the same thing with like Transformers when they had to change their voice. They just like it's like some Crimson, a Debbie Dan. Yeah. Honestly, no. How you gonna try to debate this? Easy. Go in F tier. You could go in F tier. For all I care, Crimson. Next. Oh gosh. How they have butchered this character. He's such a good character, but unfortunately, he's going to be, because of what happened in the recent episode, he's going to be he's going to the bottom B tier. Well, I mean, let's get to it different here. Okay, sorry. Ooh, Lila Lipton. Oh, not the Hell version, but honestly, they're best friends. I can't really separate them. Listen, man. Loopty and Lyle Lipton are best friends. I can't separate them. Ooh, the agents. Unfortunately, as much as I don't like Souls anymore, at least he had a good character at some point. So, yeah, there we go. My gosh, I'm laggy. Oh, Ed. Oh my gosh, a little key character. This key character? My gosh. Yeah, also kind of glad we didn't see any more of him in the pilots. Not gonna lie. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I guess saying you people saw the tail, you probably guess what character I am. Oh, Blitzo. No. Yeah. Yeah, this is like he's an S tier. There's no way he's not an S tier, man. Oh, and guys, let me know if you want me to do more of these tier list videos. Whoop, Paimon. Oh my gosh, another Debbie Dad. Yeah, go that tier. Listen, man, they're a Debbie Dad. Listen, guys, if they're a Debbie Dad, they go in that tier. Crimson and Paimon are an example of that. But we're gonna see Blitzo's father soon. Oh, Lynn. Yeah. There we go. It's like the whole Loopty-Goopty and Lipton situation. They're husband and wife. We can't really separate them. But I bet we're gonna see another parent. Wait, would you look at that? Yeah, sorry, Val, but you're going to that tier. Seriously, you prefer Pizzaroli over his own son? What the flip is? Oh my gosh. Yeah. I actually kind of like Barbie and Blitzo more than their father. Oh, Wiley Wackford. I say. Some people don't like the character, but he's decent. He's an okay character. He's a good comedic character, but Yeah, sorry, C tier. Sorry, you gotta go C tier. My gosh, I'm laggy. Oh, Martha. This is a difficult situation. Let's see, because I don't know. I thought I was gonna get osmosis at this point. Now the Chero's on the other. It's yeah, they go to B tier. Speak this in. Asmodeus. Yeah, honestly. Honestly, Asmodeus is just too good of a character. No, Vortex. Honestly, he's just so much of a nice guy. Yeah, Vortex is just such a nice guy. Oh, this is Mayberry. Okay, as of the recent episode, yeah, I think yeah. If any of you have seen the recent episode, you should know why they both go in the here, and that leaves Moxie. So let me try to hide so I can sleep. Yeah, that's basically my tier list for the Helluva Boss characters. But you know what? Why stop with Helluva Boss? Why not go to this other universe? Why not go to this other universe? Hazbin Hotel. Oh, oh, we have a lot of characters on here. Oh wait. But yeah, that's basically Basically, this is basically my tier list for the Helluva Boss characters. But now it's gonna switch on. Yep. Okay. That's what's all turn. Carmelo's daughter. Hey, I'll put the beach here. Don't.
Wait, do you know how I talk about this thing reminds you of a monster?
Yep. Okay. Oh, Razzle Dazzle. I can't. I know one of them died, but I can't tell which one. They really should wear name tags so you can tell on who's who. Oh, Carmelo's other daughter. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh gosh, this is difficult. I mean, I actually kind of like her a bit. I'm not gonna lie. My tier list, so she gets an 8 here. She doesn't. Honestly, I prefer her over Mox and Valentino, honestly. Especially Valentino. My gosh, gosh. Valentino deserves being hell, not gonna lie. Mimsy. My gosh. I feel as though I've heard her voice sounds familiar, not gonna lie. Saying that, so you're an FT now? Oh, Zestion. Yeah. The guy, I think, I think the person who voices Zestion also voices Asmodeus, so. I mean, we don't. I mean, if we're on A tier, he doesn't go in S tier mostly because we don't see as much as him. But oh my god, oh man, I had to major jump. Angel Dust. Now this is pretty. I think it's like an obvious S tier. Like. Oh yeah, they just won the Overlords, I think. Well, unfortunately, don't know any. Don't really know anything about him, but probably don't. Well, so he's on C tier at least. Yeah. Charlie Morizar. Now, is he? I mean, she tried too hard, but hey, she's still a good character. Not gonna lie. Loot. Ugh. yeah. Unfortunately, she does not work for me. Like, unfortunately. Cherry bomb. Man, okay, man. I probably like. I mean, your voice really changed. She's Australian now. Crikey. Sorry about that. Okay. Anyway. Ooh, so far. Yeah, say I'll put him A tier. He's gonna go in S tier once again. Lack of screen time. But if season 2 comes out, I may change it. I may change this here a little bit. A box. Super screen time. The lack of screen. Man, the lack of screen time really starts to hurt people, doesn't it? Yeah, I'll put him in A tier because I feel like though people are going to get mad at me if I don't put him higher. Hi. Oh. My gosh. Wait, I haven't had anyone in DT. Fat nuggets. Yeah, it does feel right to have potential dust separate from a little bit. Oh my gosh, Sarah. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna lie, honestly, I thought I don't like Luke. At least she actually does stuff. No, sorry, yeah. Sorry people, it's my tier list, so I don't really like Sarah, okay? She just tries too hard. Oh, Becky! Double, yeah, yeah, honestly. Yeah, it's not Becky, you're gonna have to go in B tier. Dellinger. And also guys, I think I may, which VRchat video I may change it to a different avatar. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, honestly. Okay, don't know anything about this guy. Is it like a tier over here? So, unfortunately, this guy. Yeah, don't know anything about the guy, so can't really. Nifty. Psychotic. She's psychotic. Let me surprisingly. Whenever she actually kills Adam, she gets like B tier at the most. Yeah, guys, ignore the lag. I guess my lag doesn't it? Huss. No. I just kind of like the guy. It also helps. I think it also helps that he's also voiced by the person who voices Spawn and Dr. Basilian. So A tier. Serpentious. Obviously. Obviously, he should go in S tier. He's really trying to use as well. Oh, egg bolt. I should have guessed that if we. And yeah, sorry. As much as people love the egg boys, I'm just not one of those people that like the egg boys. Oh, Missy Zuma. No, she sounds like. From what I've heard of her voice, she sounds like a New Yorker. But do I like her? Yeah, I think I like her more than the egg boy. Sorry, boys. Rosie. Yeah, she definitely deserves A tier. She's so nice. It's what I mean, you probably wouldn't expect that from a cannibal. That's a head I don't think I can. Can I even break his head? Can I even? Yeah, unfortunately I have to go in detail because I don't know anything about it. About the all I know is that it's a certain here. Alistair. Yeah, what is he? Yeah, Alistair. You should go in S here mostly because yeah, he has more screen time than Lucifer does. That's why unfortunately Lucifer does get A tier. Adam. Honestly, his song is just it's a song that honestly his song is just nice. Yeah, actually, you know what? You know what? This word is making enough work. So yeah, Lucifer is totally going yes here. Next, yeah, she's annoying. Susan. Comedic killjoy. Ugh. Yeah, honestly. Yeah, honestly, go there. Oh, Lilith. Oh my gosh, that beats characters. But when we know about her, which is not very much, B tier. Don't get mad at me, people. This is my tier list, okay? Emily. See, now she's now see, we want to enter the beat. She's like A tier. I think she's good. Oh, Carmilla. Oh, I think I know what that means the last one is. Like, she's a woman zero. Then I think I know who the last one is. Valentino. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, guys, that was my tier list of both Hazbin Hotel and Helluva characters. If you guys want to see more, let me know down in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed, and see you guys next time.